welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the 2025 next-gen 911 Chevrolet car. This new model has taken a bold step forward with a striking and modern design that redefines Chevrolet's sports car lineup. The front end is sharp and aggressive, featuring sleek LED headlights and a wide grille that gives the car a commanding presence. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from the front to the rear, emphasizing its aerodynamic shape and giving it a truly futuristic look. Large air intakes in the front bumper not only enhance the car's style but also improve its performance by cooling the engine and improving airflow. Moving to the interior, the cabin is all about sophistication and technology. It's a driver-favored space with a minimalist dashboard that features a large high-resolution touchscreen in the center. This display controls everything from navigation to entertainment, keeping the console clean and easy to use. The seats are sporty bucket style with high-quality leather, and contrasting with the Cosby convertible is a comfortable and lovely reinforcement of centuries of branding and custom, all distinct from each other with a subtle body and back door. Ambient lighting adds a futuristic touch, giving the steering wheel is compact and multifunctional with a subtle glow that changes based on your driving mode. The steering wheel is compact and multifunctional with a subtle glow that changes based on your driving mode. Under the hood, the 2025 next-gen 911 Chevrolet car is equipped with a next-level powertrain that promises incredible speed and efficiency. Chevrolet has worked to refine the engine, delivering more horsepower and better fuel economy compared to previous models. The suspension has been fine-tuned for performance, offering a smooth yet responsive ride, whether you're on the open highway or navigating sharp corners. This car is all about a thrilling driving experience with a balance of power and precision. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, as the 2025 model includes the latest in driver assistance technology. From adaptive cruise control to automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assistance, the car is packed with features to make every drive safer and more comfortable. A surround view camera provides extra visibility while parking and reversing, ensuring you have complete control in every situation. Overall, the 2025 next-gen 911 Chevrolet car is a stunning blend of cutting-edge technology, bold design, and exhilarating performance. It's a clear indication of where Chevrolet is heading with its sports cars, combining classic elements with futuristic innovations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in automotive news and reviews.